Hi everyone, welcome to the NTU Open House 2020. I'm Albert Lee from the Psychology Department at NTU. So in this video, we are going to talk a little bit about the Professional Attachment Program, or PAP. Afterwards, I'm going to talk about the career prospects and finally conclude the video with employment statistics. So for the Professional Attachment Program, it usually happens in the third year of the program. Usually, in this case, students would align themselves with a local companies in Singapore for 8 to 10 weeks, usually taking place from May to July. And during this period of time, students will have an opportunity to prepare themselves physically and mentally for their career paths ahead of them. And additional benefits of this program includes alignment of expectations, working culture and interpersonal skills, and of course, to establish professional networks. And on these slides, you'll be able to see some example placements in 2019. For example, some students decided to work for consultancy companies, law firms, publishing companies, and banks. And for students who would like to work for the government, they have decided to work for the Ministry of Community Development, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Manpower, and so on. So what happens when students actually graduate? Well, here are some of the career options offered by the country. For example, for students who would like to work for the government, options would include Ministry of Education, Ministry of Community, Ministry of Defense, Institute of Mental Health, and so on. And for those students who are interested in research, the career options would include NTU, NIE, NUS, and A-STAR. In addition, there are also options such as working for the bank, working for investment companies, and so on. And here are some of the employment statistics released by MOE. So in sum, NTU Psychology offers a host of career opportunities for their students. Through early exposure to the work environment, the PAP prepares students mentally, physically, interpersonally, and professionally for the career paths ahead of them. With a Bachelor of Social Sciences in Psychology, graduates are expected to stay competitive in the workforce, not only in one or two sectors, but across different professional domains. And if you would like to know more about the nature of NTU Psychology, please visit our website.